Welcome to the Ultimate 7-Day Blog Growth Challenge. I'm Nicole from Real Living Made Simple, and I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're just starting out or you've been blogging for years, this challenge will help you to take your blog to the next level. This isn't simply a how to start a blog, but this challenge will equip you in these specific areas. It will help you to understand where your blog is and where you want to be. Perfect your blog's design for your specific audience and their needs. Learn how to optimize your blog and take your posts to the next level. Create an email marketing plan that will boost your traffic and income, and learn how to monetize your blog and grow that income. Working from home was once a crazy idea to me, but I've learned how to make this dream a reality and grow a profitable blog and business, and I want to share these strategies and tips with you. Will you join me for this challenge and take your blog to the next level?